Okay, so this first one, the prime number, I defined prime, sorry, and then if it returned true, if the number is prime, false otherwise. So if the number is less than or equal to 1, return false, but if it's in range, this formula, then return false, and then anything else return true, and then the main program, the number is input, enter an integer, print if it's prime, the number is prime, if not, it's not a prime number, and then if it's of error, then it's print a valid integer. So I decided to do 4, and then I got that it's not a prime number. And then prime number list, defining a prime number again, and then display all prime numbers from 1 to 100, print prime numbers from 1 to 100 are, and then that's in range from 1 to 101 if it is prime, and then print that, and then end it. So these are all the prime numbers. For the future value, it calculates and returns the future value using compound interest. So, and then future value is the present value times the monthly interest rate plus 1, and then times how many months. So get input from the user, get the present value interest rate, and then how many months, and then calculate that, display the results, and then if it's an error, display that there is invalid input. And then for random number guessing, what the heck? I don't know what that was. Anyways, okay, welcome to the random number guessing game. The computer says that, and then they also, then the computer says that it has chosen a number, and then to try and guess it, and then you have the computer pick a random number, and then try guessing it, or then ask the user to try guessing it. Yes, and then if it's less than it, it shows that it's too low, and if it's greater, then it shows it's too high, and if you guess it, it's congratulations, and then that loops it to continue going. And then if it doesn't put, and if you don't put in a valid integer, it shows this, and then it asks you if you want to play again. And then you run the game. So this is how many times it took me to guess. And then for the rock, paper, scissors game, it's another, like, the computer chooses rock, paper, or scissors. So yeah, you have it choose, and then and then this is like how if it like compares, sorry, the different options compared to each other, how they win. Paper overrides rock, and scissors overrides paper, and rock overrides scissors. Yep. And then playing the game, it's welcome to rock, paper, scissors. Then it asks for the user's input, and they choose. And then if they don't choose one of these, then it tells them to try again, and then continues, gets the computer choice. prints what it shows, and then determines the winner, and then tells you whether it's a tie or if you win, or the computer wins, and then asks if you want to play again, and then asks to run the game.